Welcome to Digital India, which is transforming the way we live, work and interact under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. At the heart of this wave is affordable data. With having one of the lowest data tariffs globally at 16 cents per GB and faster speeds of 100 Mbps, Indians from all walks of life are now accessing a world of opportunities online. Large-scale adoption of UPI has simplified transactions for small businesses, with 16 billion transactions monthly. Aadhaar-linked bank accounts have promoted financial inclusion, bringing over 500 million people into the formal economy. Smartphone sales have soared, making India the second-largest smartphone market in the world. With over 500 million smartphone users, India is driving demand for augmented telecom infrastructure. The impact of affordable data and accessibility is far-reaching and transformative. With low-cost data and faster internet access, farmers can now access information on better farming practices. Small businesses can reach new customers through social media, and big businesses can leverage the power of data analytics. People in remote areas can now access quality healthcare services from the comfort of their own homes. Affordable data today is right at the center of bridging the digital divide between urban and rural areas. India's digital economy is booming. The digital economy is expected to reach $1 trillion by 2025. The World Bank and the International Monetary Fund, IMF, also praised India's efforts to promote digital inclusion and drive economic growth. The opportunity is here and now, and we invite you to be a part of it. Come be the partner of Digital India.